Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we got another car getting ready to put on the lot. This is a 2017 Honda Accord LX trim package. Black cloth interior, 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. We'll do a quick walk around on this. Then we'll show you the inside of it. Got a diesel truck behind me, that's what you're hearing. But boy, this black is sharp on this. Nice rims, tires on this. Show you what the back, a lot of trim on this. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the trunk. Okay, here's the trunk with this. Go over here, show you the inside of it. A lot of space in here and it is clean looking. So we'll continue our walk around, go on the driver's side. And let's take a look on the inside now. Okay, here we are looking in the back. Black cloth interior. Show you the headliner. Your door panels are black. Let's go up front. Okay, here we are on the inside. Very attractive car inside. LCD display. Door panel. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, here we are on the inside. Do a little quick pan around here, show you. Very attractive car, I have to say. Let me get up here on the gauges and show you the mileage. As of now, the miles is 55,577. Now it does have Bluetooth compatibility, connectivity to your smartphone. Controls are here. Cruise control is on the right side of your wheel. And now it does have a backup camera. I hope that you're not getting a lot of bleed off of the sun. I'm going to drop it in reverse. There's your backup camera. And come down here, it does have a CD player. Your audio section is here, phone settings. And we cruise down a little bit. It does have dual climate control for independent settings here. And you do have, I'm going to drop this down. You do have outlets down here for your electronic devices. And your armrest lifts up, and you do have multiple connections down here also. So let's take a look here in back. And that shows you the space in the back. Armrest does fold down. But that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 2017 Honda Accord LX 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call. Come up for a test drive. We've got a lot of lenders that are eager to loan money. And hope you have a great day. Bye for now.